So how to install plugin in OBS. So you click on your file folder, you go to where the plugin you downloaded is. I think the easiest way is if the plugin is just a, let's use this for example, the OBS NDI plugin. It's just an application. You see it as an application. So you just do it like normal installation. You open it. You do all the necessaries. And you install. You install. So that is how we run. You later on you close your OBS software and open them again if you want. Then the OBS NGI plugin will be done. That is what we do for many plugins, especially plugins that have applications. They have the app application files. They are easier to install. The other ones that have folder files, they'll have a follow-up process, follow our page, more channel for more updates on how to install our plugins for OBS. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.